Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if the washer not draining. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, check the drain hose. For this purpose, turn off the washer and unplug it. Pull the washer away from the wall to access the drain hose. Inspect the hose for kinks, bends, or blockages. Straighten any kinks and clear obstructions. Ensure the hose is not inserted too far into the standpipe. Clear the drain pump. Unplug the washer. Locate the drain pump filter behind a small panel at the front base of the washer. Place a shallow pan or towels beneath to catch water. Remove the filter cap, clean out debris, and rinse the filter under running water. Reinstall the filter. Inspect the drain pump. Unplug the washer. Access the drain pump at the bottom of the washer. Check for visible damage or obstruction inside the pump. Clear blockages or replace the pump if it hums but doesn't operate. Consult a technician for complex replacement. Examine the lid switch with the washer unplugged. Locate the lid switch near the door hinge. Test the switch for functionality by pressing it to hear a click. Use a multimeter to check for continuity. Replace the switch if faulty. Verify drain hose installation height. Ensure the drain hose is installed at the proper height. Refer to the user manual for washer model specification. Adjust the hose height if necessary to correct the drain issue. Check for unbalanced load. Pause the washer and open the lid or door. Redistribute laundry evenly in the drum. Avoid overloading the washer. Resume the cycle to check if the issue is resolved. Inspect the household drain. Check the standpipe or sink where the drain hose empties. Pour a quart of water into the standpipe to test for clog. If water drains slowly or overflows, contact a plumber to clear the household plumbing. Reset the washer. Unplug the washer for 5 to 10 minutes. Plug it back in and restore the washer. Select a drain cycle to test if the issue is resolved. Check for error codes. Refer to the user manual to interrupt error code display on the washer. Follow the recommended troubleshooting step for error coding. Reset the washer if instructed in the manual. Inspect electrical connections. Unplug the washer and inspect all electrical connections to the drain pump. Ensure wires are securely attached and undamaged. Replace damaged wires or connectors. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.